capital state, BJP leaders are protesting outside Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's office, demanding the resignation of Law Minister Somnath Bharti. Somnath Bharti has been in the news for all the wrong reasons recently following his midnight raid in South Delhi and for alleging that the media was being paid by the BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi to defame the Aam Aadmi Party.
We will take a series of steps to protest in various forms.
Sir, do you think this is legal, sir? Do you think this is right thing to do to protest outside the Chief Minister's office?
Yes, why can't we? We are all elected MLAs and we are asking for a genuine issue. There is a government whereby people of the government have insulted the Constitution of India. They have insulted the Republic of India. They have insulted judiciary. They have insulted the executive. They have insulted the legislature. They have insulted the media. They are insulting the honest policemen. So it is our right to demand the sacking of the law minister who has been most unlawful.
Are you disturbing the government's functioning this way?
No, we are not. If we had to disturb the government functioning, we could have gone inside his office and stopped him from working. That is our right. We are not breaking any section 144. There is no section 144. This is our premises. This is the premises for the MLAs. And if we had any idea or any intention to basically hamper the government functioning, we would have gone inside also. We have not done that.
Tanima Biswas now joins us from the Delhi Secretariat. And a very interesting interaction there between Mr. Harshvardhan and Arvind Kejriwal. Tanima?
Right, Amitabh, this is almost like an impromptu protest by the BJP MLAs. We are standing inside the Secretariat, just a floor below the Chief Minister's office, where you can see there's a huge crowd which has gathered. 32 MLAs of the BJP, all the elected MLAs, have staged an impromptu protest right outside the Chief Minister's office doors. They are sitting over there with placards calling for the Delhi Law Minister Somnath Bharti's resignation. They're saying that there are going to be a series of steps that they're going to take throughout this week. They'd given the government time till 26th of January. Since no satisfactory step has been taken by the government, they have decided to stage protests. This is just the beginning. That's what Dr. Harshvardhan was telling us. Also, we saw the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. This sort of politics is usually associated with him, the politics of actually staging protests in order to voice their demands. Now he was the one who actually came out to speak to Dr. Harshvardhan, the BJP leader, who was leading this group of people, and there was a short interaction between them. Arvind Kejriwal actually took the open letter which was handed over by Dr. Harshvardhan to him, asking for Somnath Bharti's resignation. Dr. Harshvardhan said that since you have set an ideal and a principle, please maintain the dignity of this office and try and make sure that you do the right thing. And Arvind Kejriwal also said that ek saath milke karenge Dr. Saab. That's exactly what he told Dr. Harshvardhan. So it was an interesting interaction between both the leaders for just a couple of minutes. But right after that, of course, the Chief Minister went back inside his office and the protest continued outside the doors of his office once again. And the BJP MLAs are saying that they have no fixed time period as to how long they're going to sit over here. But the voices are rising against Somnath Bharti, the Delhi Law Minister, who's interestingly not reached Secretariat yet. So he has not reached his office today yet, but clearly the opposition as well as some people from within his party, as we know that Vinod Binni, who's been expelled from Aam Aadmi Party only yesterday, went and met the LG asking him that he should look into this matter very seriously, the judicial inquiry which has been ordered against Somnath Bharti. So there are people from within Aam Aadmi Party, of course, they are one of them being expelled, as well as the opposition leaders who are demanding Somnath Bharti's resignation. Remains to be seen what the Chief Minister decides on this issue. Amitabh.